my name is Bidhya Khadka and this is my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Bidhya Khadka and this is my YouTube channel. So today's makeup tutorial is all about creating this simple makeup look which is gonna work in all the occasions. So let's get into the tutorial.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy watching this little tutorial. Also guys, you can suggest me any other tutorial in comment section below and I will try my best to recreate it. And also share with your friends, like and subscribe. subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you later. Bye.